Today is July the 10th. It's been hot, and I'm in Houston, Texas, in an area just outside of Houston called Conroe, Texas. And we had a hurricane here last Monday, and it was a lot of wind, a lot of rain, and a lot of destruction, and a lot of power loss. So what I'm going to mention to you today is how you can have a standby generator for a lot less expense than some of the more sophisticated ones. But this particular generator is a portable generator, and it takes time for you to set it all up, where the other ones are all set up and ready to go. So that worked for some people, and I'm not trying to talk you out of doing that. I'm just trying to show you another way where you keep your costs down and still have a full house standby generator. And the unit I have is a 13,000 kW, and like I mentioned, it's portable. And we have to roll it around to the side of the house. And of course, my wife, she doesn't like doing that, but I have to help her because she's not real strong. But she doesn't, she's not interested in moving that generator. But I take care of it. But anyway, the bottom line is my generator cost me right at $1,499, and it's like I mentioned, 13,000 kWs. And then I had to do a transfer switch for power, and that cost me $950 to do the transfer switch with a professional electrician. And then I also had to do the gas connection, and the gas connection charged me $400 to have it connected, and again, a professional. I'm a home builder and a remodeler, also a realtor, and I could have done probably a lot of that conversion stuff myself, but I'm not a licensed individual, so I don't recommend doing any of that conversions without having a professional plumber or electrician get involved. And so I'm going to take you outside. I'm going to show you my setup, my generator. I think you'll like what I've done. And totally I've got right at $3,900 in this whole setup. And it covers my whole house. Now there's some other ones out there that are the more sophisticated type, and they can run as much as $15,000 to $20,000 to $10,000. So this is what I consider, if you're a handyman, you don't mind having your wife push the generator a little bit, or you have to push it, then this is for you, and it saves you a lot of money. So I'll take you outside, I'll show you around, and you have any questions, you can just email me. I'm on the internet, so if you have things that you need to have answered about your home, feel free to send me an email. I had a radio show on KPRC 950 for many years, and we talked about new home construction and remodeling. So that's my background, and I'll be happy to help you too. So here we go.